Alright, well that basically completes this wall. Overall it went pretty good. That's my first major piece that I've done with welding aluminum. Up until now I've never welded aluminum, so overall I think it went pretty good. Need a lot more practice. But this job is perfect for getting practice, so I'll get the hang of it. Let's stand that up and have a look and see what it looks like. Aside from me not having any idea how to weld aluminum and trying to figure this out as I go, it's not too bad. I mean, I'm happy with it. Fortunately, all the nasty welds are going to be inside the wall, so you're not going to see them. And I don't think they're coming apart. I mean, it felt pretty steady as I stood it up. So, all right, we'll pull that off and let's do another wall.